Hi everyone, my name is Gokul and today I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail background theme. So let's get started. First, open your Gmail. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a gear icon which is the settings button. Click on it. A drop down menu will appear. Then click on the view all link in the theme section. After clicking on the view all link, a theme selection window will pop up. Here you will see a variety of themes to choose from. Scroll through the options and click on the theme that you like. Once you click on a theme, you will see a preview of how your Gmail will look with the new theme. Now if you want to use your own photos as a background, click on My Photos. This will open a new window where you can choose photos from your Google Photos account. You can select any photo from your albums and set it as your Gmail background. Next, if you want to change the background color of the text area in your Gmail, select the text background option and then choose your preferred text background. If you want to add a darkened border around the edge of your Gmail background, select the vignette option. You can adjust the intensity of the vignette effect using the slider that appears when this option is selected. And if you want to blur your background image and make the text of your email stand out more clearly against the background, select the blur option. Just like the vignette option, you can adjust the intensity of the blur effect using the slider that pops up when the blur option is selected. Once you are satisfied with the look, click on the Save button located at the bottom of the window.